Ústí nad Labem is a city of nearly 100,000 that lies on the Elbe, Labe in Czech. The north-south railway through the city is a very important connection between Italy and Austria and eastern and northern Germany, and onwards to Scandinavia. These are respectively Czech Transit Corridors 1, red, and 4, blue. Much of the freight traffic over the line north to Dresden is automotive from the car assembly plants in the Republic and neighbouring Slovakia. However, the main east to west transit route runs south of us from Prague to Cheb through Plzen, Czech Transit Corridor 3, known domestically as routes 170-171. A transit route it may be, but west of Plzen, the remainder of the route to Cheb, line 170, is largely single track. The line from Ústí nad Labem to Cheb is, on the other hand, double track or better throughout. It passes through the South Bohemia coalfields and is busy with coal traffic and from the industries spawned by coal, such as refining and metal processing. Ústí nad Labem is an industrial town. You don't go there for quaint. It was anyway severely bombed during World War II. The city once had a modest tram network, but this was also badly damaged during the war and never recovered, finally closing in 1970. Initially, the trams were replaced with buses, but the hilly nature of the city did not suit them well, and in the late 1980s, a trolleybus network was developed, the city centre and the hilly suburbs to the north being the priority. The system now operates north and south of the river and includes a new loop to serve the recently built shopping mall and cable car to the Chateau Vietrucha Hotel. The cable car was opened in 2011. Two 15-person capacity cars, built by Barthollet of Switzerland, run the 336-metre route 4 times an hour in each direction. There's a CD cargo trip locomotive outstationed at Řetenice. It spends its day collecting and delivering wagons in the local area. Gas tank cars and steel wagons predominate. Despite the fact that wagon load generally loses money for CD cargo, the rail operator perseveres with its single wagon network. The major loss maker has inevitably been in the agricultural sector, which is slowly being converted to train load operation where possible. Unlikely as it sounds, Řetenice is a junction station. The little rail bus that we first saw at Teplice turns south here and heads across country to Lovosice, an industrial town on the main line between Ústí and Prague. The route crosses the secondary main line, TTR131 at Ústí, population 160, which sums up why this more direct route is nevertheless the less important of the lines to Bílina. Lines 130 and 131 come together just east of the small town of Bílina, population 15,000. The town, the railway and the main road stand on a spine of land between two of the largest open-cast coalfields in the country. The North Bohemian coalfields run from Bílina in the east, through Most, and then Chomutov. Then there's a gap until the Řetenice mines west of Karlovy Vary. From the back of the yard, a train of steel wire in hoops can be seen leaving for Ústí. In front of it are some blue car carriers owned, like the empty ones we saw earlier, by Transvesa. The wagon is loaded with Seat hatchbacks, made in Spain. The last mainline passenger train is the 1729 from Prague, 2138 at Cheb. The regional runs via Ústí nad Labem. The last train from Plzen arrives at 2128. This is actually a sweeper from Prague and is classified as a regional. It's almost 10 p.m. before our train of Czech-built Korean SUVs heading for the UK via the Netherlands begins its journey west. The locomotive is a Class 232, DR Class 132, built in Ukraine to a Soviet design and with a Soviet motor. The 232 will power the train to Nuremberg, where electric traction will take over for the long run north. Thank you for travelling with Ticket to Ride in the Czech Republic. If you enjoy watching unusual freight trains, why not visit Spain with us? In BTL 20, we visit the Basque Country to watch Renfe Cargo working with the steel industry. And the meter gauge Feve at work with their customers in the city of Bilbao. do join us. Until then, it's bye for now.